Hey friends, this is our GE Opal 2.0 ice maker. We absolutely love this thing, and in today's video, we're gonna show you what to do when you see this little blinking cleaning light come on. It's a fairly simple process. Let's walk through it right now. So the first thing we're gonna do is actually remove the power from the machine by unplugging it. So I'm gonna come back here, I'm just gonna grab the plug, let's unplug that guy, and now all the lights will go off. Next, we're gonna need to remove all of the water that's currently built up into the system. So our system currently has water in the reservoir down here, as well as the side tank. So I'll remove the side tank by taking it out, just like this. Next, we'll need to remove the water that's in the reservoir. So I'm just gonna take this ice tray out. This thankfully doesn't need to be dumped. We can actually keep all of this ice for now. I'm just gonna put it off to the side as well. So as you can see, we've got water here in our bottom reservoir, as well as a little bit of water in the side tank. All of this needs to be drained out. So what we'll do is walk through the steps of removing the hose from the back of the unit and draining it. We're looking at the back of the unit now, and as you can see, there are two drain tubes. We're gonna pull these out using these little clips right here, and then we can put this whole tube system into our sink to drain. Make sure you remove the little cap ends from the ends of the tube so we can drain properly. Okay, when the water is done draining, we'll put our cap back into place and then clip this to the back of the unit. So next, we're gonna make our cleaning solution, and this is the solution that GE actually recommends to make. It's 5 cups of water, so 5 of these, and then 1 of these teaspoons, that's a little guy, a teaspoon of household bleach. Mix that all together, and then we're gonna pour that directly into the bottom of our reservoir. Okay, we're then gonna plug the machine back in and get our power back. Then once you have the power back on, we're gonna come over here and we're gonna push the clean button. We're gonna hold it for 3 seconds. So it's 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, the cleaning function has now been enabled. This light will light up indicating that cleaning is happening. And basically the cleaning solution that we created will now be circulated up and through the machine, cleaning out all of the nozzles and the internal parts for the machine. After 3 minutes, the cleaning button will go off. You'll hear that cycling motor turn off. As you can see, no more water is currently being cycled, which means our cleaning cycle is complete. Now remember, this solution that went through still contains a little bit of that bleach. So we need to now remove it from the system and then run some fresh water through a couple of times. So let's do the drain again. Okay, once the draining is complete, we'll go ahead and refill our reservoir with fresh water. And then once we have our reservoir filled back up, we're gonna come over here and we're gonna hit the clean button again. Now what this does is it cycles that fresh water back through the system to make sure all that bleach is removed. Let's go ahead and hit that clean button. 1, 2, 3. Okay, once that clean water goes through a single time, we're then gonna drain things again and re-add the fresh water. We need to do this twice to make sure fresh water gets cycled through a couple of times before we add our final fresh water to the reservoir to begin making ice. Okay, we've run 2 cleaning cycles with fresh water. We've added now our final fresh water to make our ice. I put the ice tray back in. We can also add our side tank back on so that we have that extra water available. And we are ready and making ice, and everything should be clean and cleared. You shouldn't have that blinking light anymore. So hope that's helped, friends. If it has, hit that thumbs up button for us. Let us know we're making helpful videos. We'll also be making a bunch more of these specific Opal ice maker tutorial videos to make your life a little bit easier. So subscribe to the channel. There should be some videos already uploaded there. Thanks for watching, friends. We'll see you again on the next one.